The connector for the display is in the daughter board, so we'll have to remove this piece of board here at the bottom. We'll have to detach the main connection to the main board. We detach the battery connector so that the phone is off, and then we reattached it so that it will be ready for us to test. So we have removed this board, and then we reveal the connector for the display at the corner. So when we have access to the connector, we can connect the display to test it out before we install it. So as not to waste time, we'll have to test if the replacement display is good or not. So at this stage, we are partially disassembled